Hello YouTube, I've got here a parcel delivered today, special delivery. They paid almost £9 for this, so I'm eager to find out what's inside this box. It's very interesting, I have to say. Very nice wrap. It looks very professionally made. Someone made a really nice parcel. Let's find out what's inside it. There's another box in here, so if I pull this out carefully, I may even be able to recycle some of the paper again. Let's see what it is. So this is another box. It's a box in a box. No, sorry, it's just another box. That's a very sturdy box. Will come in handy again. I'll definitely use this box again. Beautiful. On the side, some padding on both sides. That's good. Then inside we have something in bubble wrap. I shall take this bundle of bubble wrap out, and in this bundle of bubble wrap something, some, I don't know what this is, some half rotten fruit anyhow, and then in it two locomotives. That's pretty nice. So that's, I think that's a Grafar engine. Looks really nice. And this here, I think that's also a Grafar engine. As pretty as the other one. 2801, and here we have a 4621, both with matching tender. Let's see what's in this box here. Oh, it's another little Grafar engine. Let's put this also here. And the last one is, this could be the last Grafar. So overall, 4 Grafar Graham Farish engines. Very pleased by their look. They're a bit dirty. They probably need a little bit of cleaning, but now let's see whether they run at all. I will use just electricity directly onto the wheels. I start with 8-volt DC. Let's start with the first one and see what happens, whether there is any movement. That's okay. Nothing is happening with the first one. What about the second one? Yeah, so the second one is moving quite nicely actually. Pick up from all sides, and it also seems to, the wheels seem to turn in both directions. That's again a good sign. So where is the problem? They smell really old. I wish they smell really old. I wish I could share this on YouTube, but you can't share the smell of an engine which has been standing or sitting in a cupboard for 10-20 years. You just can't share this. It's a very special smell. And then let's test this beautiful version of a City of Glasgow, also with the steam reflectors still both present. Let's see whether this one is working or not. No, this something. So the city of Glasgow doesn't seem to be working. I can hear a little motor click, but that's it. And last but not least, this little shunter engine, which has a lot of dirt underneath here. No idea what this is. Clearly, has probably been in a. I don't know, there's a spider decided to live here on this little engine. Anyhow, well, let's see whether this engine is running or not. Let's put some electricity on it. Nope. This one too. Oh. Something is happening. Not much, but it's not completely dead. I suspect a little bit of oil will do magic will be magic for these engines. Right, so I will have to open these all up, give them a good clean, add some oil, and see what I can do. But I'm pretty confident that all of these engines will go back to life and will be ready to run around my layout. Thanks for watching.